Hi guys, what's up good people? How you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Feel free to call me Emma. So if you're a new subscriber, karibu sana in this family. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, I just love and appreciate you guys so much. So in this video, I'm going to do a cleaning and organizing video of my kitchen. Not necessarily my kitchen, but my fridge and my cabinet. And I want to take you along. I'm just showing you the few things that I got from the supermarket. This is just like a mini grocery haul. And I hope you enjoy this video. Watch until the end. Do not be skipping the ads. And yeah, share with me what kind of content you'd love me to do more. And yeah, I did not do an intro because I realized late that I had not done an intro, so I just had to do a voiceover as the video is playing. Since I was to post this video tomorrow, there was really not enough time to do an intro, and I was also editing. So enjoy this video, and yes, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
So this is the situation in my fridge right now. This is how it looks like. There's literally nothing. This is how the entire fridge looks like. And I just want to clean these shelves. I normally clean the freezer first before anything, but I just want to kupitishia kupanguza. So I normally clean the freezer first because of ice. Nina frostingi kidogo. This is how much it can frost. Kidogo, tuna frosting ito kidogo. So I'm just going to remove the shelves, clean it with you guys. Focus. Yeah. Clean the fridge with you guys, and then do what? And then arrange the shelves up there. Let me show you. Today I'm not going to do much cleaning. I just want to refill the containers with rice, flour, sugar, flour. And then, yeah, I think organize. I just want to clean a few things, then organize. So let's do this.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you mean to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all. Now you need to forward and give me all. get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you mean to get done, 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 done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all, give me all, give me all. Now you need to forward and give me all.
So I'm done placing the what is it called? I'm done putting everything in the storage containers, so I'm just going to arrange them here. Just going to arrange them up here. Yeah, let's do it.
what's going on in your heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
So one last thing that I had forgotten to mention is that I got these two, are they juice glasses or what? These glasses, one thing with me is someone should make me stop impulse buying. Someone should just come and tell me you need to stop, because me, whenever I see anything, hata kama sina pesa, trust me, I'll get it. I'm also cooking. So I got these two glasses from Quick Mart. You guys can see me. I got them from Quick Mart, and each was going for 260 shillings. They have some class in them that I'm dying for. So I'm just going to wash them, then store them. So that is it about today's video. Thank you so much for staying tuned until this particular point. Do not forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you'll be notified. I can't be seen properly. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?